Good morning. Today we will be covering the market update dated the 17th of August 2022. Indian indices opened flat today with Nifty at 17,868.15 amid mixed global cues in contrast to previous close of 17,825.25. Sensex opened at 59,938.05 in contrast to the previous close of 59,842.21. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have state-run NTPC plans to raise up to 5,000 crore rupees through term loan and has sought bids from banks and financial institutions by the 31st of August 2022. In its request for proposal, the company said that the proceeds of the loan shall be utilized towards capital expenditure for ongoing or new capacity addition including takeover of projects, renewable energy projects, coal mining business, renovation and modernization program of various projects, refinancing of loans and general corporate purposes among others. The bids would be evaluated on the basis of quoted rate of interest. Future Consumer Limited has defaulted on the payment of 51.85 crore rupees towards principal and interest due on non-convertible debentures. The default, which happened on August 15, 2022, includes an interest amount of 10.73 crore rupees and a principal amount of 41.12 crore rupees. As of June 30, 2022, the total financial indebtedness of FCL was 446.82 crore rupees. State-owned SBI has filed an insolvency petition against the country's largest sugar firm Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. During the June 22 quarter, due to delayed payment of loan installment and coupon rate interest on OCD, the lenders have classified the company's account as NPA. However, keeping in view the status of outstanding cane dues and funds for servicing debt obligations, the company is further discussing with the lenders a debt resolution plan to have a lasting solution to improve its liquidity. Adani Logistics Limited, a unit of Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, on Tuesday said it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire an inland container depot from Navkar Corporation Limited for an enterprise value of 835 crore rupees. The deal will comprise purchase of the operational ICD at Tumb, near Vapi in Gujarat, with the capacity to handle 0.5 million to 20-foot equivalent unit containers. This acquisition fits well with the transformation strategy towards becoming a transport utility and will also move the company closer to their aim of providing economical door-to-door services to the customers. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.